So you've decided that you're going to homeschool, or you've been forced to homeschool due to circumstances that are going on in the world right now. Is virtual schooling your only choice? Continue to watch this video and find out what your other options are. Hey guys, it's Vonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and in today's video I want to discuss the question, is virtual school my only choice for homeschooling? If you're new to my channel, I am a homeschooling mom to 3 children. I've been homeschooling for 7 years. I have kids in 3 completely different ages and stages. And so this is going to be the first part of a series helping new homeschoolers, answering some questions that you guys may have. So I've been on the Facebook groups, on all these Facebook groups, and I've asked the question, who has been forced to homeschool or who is jumping into homeschooling this upcoming school year? And I've got an overwhelming response of new parents who are diving into homeschooling this year, and I know that you guys have a lot of concerns and are pretty nervous about this whole thing. And from what I'm seeing, most parents are deciding to go to virtual school, even though it didn't work very well for them when all the schools closed last semester. I guess some parents feel like this is the only option, and I'm here to tell you that it is not. Virtual schooling is different than homeschooling. When you're virtual schooling, you have a teacher. Your child has another teacher that's not you, and they are leading the lessons. They are choosing the topics. They are choosing their curriculum. If you don't agree with what they're teaching, that's too bad. If you don't like if your child is moving faster or slower, you're kind of stuck in some sense. With the virtual school, you're very limited on how you basically don't have control over your child's education. You have to teach them whatever the schools teach or whatever the virtual program has. You may get to choose your courses, but you don't get to necessarily choose your teachers, and it's just different. So what homeschooling really is you are the teacher. You're not there to help your child with homework. So with virtual school, your child's on the computer all day doing lessons, and then they have homework and tests and all these other things, and it's overwhelming, and it is a lot of work. And honestly, my child did virtual school for 2 semesters, once before Corona and then one even before that when we tried it. And she didn't retain any information. She hated it. It was horrible. She dreaded it every day. And she really doesn't remember anything that she learned because she only learned it to pass the test. With homeschooling, you're teaching your children with the hopes that they're going to retain everything, because you're doing it with curriculum that's alive, that's interesting, with subjects that they are interested in, while still keeping them on grade level in case you do want to send them back to school, which is something we will get into in another video. Homeschooling is different than virtual schooling, and if you decide that you want to homeschool your child and be the teacher and choose their curriculum and choose their subjects and choose the kind of method and the way that your child learns. You might have a child who's a kinesthetic learner who has ADHD, a child who cannot sit still at a computer all day long. So when you're homeschooling, you don't have to do that. You tailor the schedule to your family's needs. You can homeschool at any time of the day. You can make your lessons as short as 15 minutes each. You can choose to do as much as little as you feel, all without your child being left behind. And if you continue to homeschool, then you don't really need to worry about being left behind, because that's only if you're planning on putting your child back into school. There are a plethora of different curriculums out there. You have language arts curriculums, writing, spelling, history, geography, grammar, sciences ranging from different topics, from marine biology to astronomy to the human body to mammals to arthropods. There's any topic you can think of. You can do poetry, you can do reading, you can do logic, you can do Spanish, French, German. You can teach music, you can teach art, you can teach music appreciation. When you're a homeschooling teacher, you teach whatever it is that you feel like your kids need to learn. If you don't agree with political values of the school system, you can teach that. If you don't believe in what they're teaching your kids and it conflicts with your religion, this is a perfect time to homeschool, and you're able to teach your children your own beliefs in your own way, and there's curriculum geared to everybody. So in the next few videos, I'm going to talk about, are you qualified to homeschool, and how to go about choosing the right types of curriculum for your child, and what subjects you should teach, and all of that. So today's video was just to let you know, no, virtual schooling is not your only option. You definitely can just do regular good old homeschooling, with the option of also having your child go to co-ops. homeschooling co-ops, that's another topic that we're going to get into. So right now, like I said, just wanted to let you guys know you do not have to do virtual schooling if you decide to pull your kids out of school. You should definitely look into homeschooling. Make sure you continue to check out the videos in the series and hit the notification bell for more information. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Well, you will see me in the next video.